Mel and I are going to show you how we wash our fruits and veggies with LifeFX Living Water Droplets. We've got cucumbers, Mel.
Beautiful.
There you go.
So it's really important to let your produce soak for a few minutes. Even if it's organic, spray-free, all the things, you just don't know what pollutants are on the vegetables still and absorbed in.
Yes, it's true because, look, even certified organic, they're still using certain sprays. It's much safer and it's probably quite very, very safe, I would say. But also we've got contaminants in the air. The air is not what it used to be maybe 100 years ago.
And our fingers.
All of it, right?
All the things. And one thing I love about this as well, Zara, is that this water doesn't need to go to waste. So it's quite sustainable. I have a washing jar at home and I use it for the week. And then at the end of that week, my plants are really happy because then they get it and they absolutely thrive off the LifeFX water droplets.
There you go. A couple apples, and there we go. We'll leave it for 2 to 5 minutes, take it out, put the water back in the jar, and use it again tomorrow. If you'd like to find out more about LifeFX Living Water Droplets, please go to our website, lifefxwater.com. That's LIFEFXwater.com.
And if you'd like to know more about Garden of Vegan, please head to our website at www.gardenofvegan.com.au or follow us on Instagram at wearegardenofvegan.
Beautiful. And we have Insta and we have Facebook as well, so that's LifeFX Water.